With its Android 15-based One UI 7.0, Samsung plans to provide many further upgrades as well as new functionality and design improvements. This new software can be installed on 52 Galaxy smartphones and tablets in all. The firm has been testing it on a few of these devices in the last several months. With the Galaxy A55, a different smartphone, Samsung has started testing Android 15-based UI 7.0. The screenshot illustrates the discovery of a new test firmware on Samsung servers for the European version of the Galaxy A55 model number SM of556B. 556BX-SU4BXG is the firmware version. It is worth noting that the build number's fourth to last letter is B, not A, as in the current official firmware, which is 556BXC4AXF3. This change suggests that the smartphone's most recent test firmware includes important changes, such a new version of Android or a new version of one or both of the user interfaces. We may infer from this that the Galaxy A55's One UI 7.0 firmware is based on Android 15. It seems that you may need to wait a little while longer to get the One UI 7.0 beta update for your Galaxy phone. It seems like the One UI 7.0 beta won't be released anytime soon, according to an Ice Universe post on X. We're not sure whether this indicates it's still on track or if it's been further delayed from what was said last week, since the source didn't provide any concrete dates. The One UI 7.0 beta was rumored to be released in the third week of August, as you may recall from last week. Our sources claim that Samsung may decide to postpone the One UI 7.0 improved release in order to focus on updating more devices with the One UI 6.1.1 update. Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 were unveiled at the July Unpacked event together with One UI 6.1.1. The One UI 7.0 beta is expected to come out in a few areas and work with a limited number of devices. Rumor has it that it will include significant changes to the user interface, new animations, and maybe enhanced Galaxy artificial intelligence functions. We'll update you with additional information as soon as we receive it. If all goes according to plan, the final version may be released before the end of the year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.